I am rushing out the door, but guys, I started drinking clove tea every single morning. I just buy like the ground clove and I put like a half of a teaspoon in my cup. Appetite gone. Need for sweets gone. Want to eat feeling, the like rush of like, ooh, it's dinner time. I can't wait to make my dinner. Gone. Nothing is exciting about eating anymore. I smell delicious. Like, I swear to God, it makes you smell good. And, yeah, just all in all, I recommend this to every single person I've ever met, so.
If you could throw away everything in your pantry, this is the one ingredient you need as a woman. Take some hot water and drop some cloves in it. If you can't wait for it to steep and you've been taking cloves for a while, I suggest the powdered version. From my last video, you already know how beautiful cloves can make you. And by simply drinking this, you're gonna stimulate collagen, you're gonna fight free radicals, which means your skin is gonna be brighter, your cells are gonna turn over, which means your dark spots are gonna fade, and you'll have a youthful glow.
Please use clove water as a toner. This is my face without filter and without makeup. Okay, all I do is my eyebrows and little mascara and little lip gloss. That's all.
We're going to take clove, for example. Clove is all the rage. Clove water for your hair, clove water for your skin, and clove water when you ingest it. The earth is not stupid. It is not dumb, and it didn't make these herbs that can heal us. The one herb can heal your skin, can heal your hair, and can also you can ingest it to help get the benefits. These herbs are very, very powerful. Let me not even talk about it because now the herbs are going to start becoming expensive. But the rosemaries, the thyme, the green teas, the hibiscus, the raspberry leaves, the fenugreek seeds, the flax seeds. Flaxseed, you can make a gel for your hair. That same gel you can apply to your skin. And that same gel you can drink. And it...
Okay, let me give you guys my clove eating update. I have been doing 2 a day. I do 1 in the morning on an empty tummy and 1 before bed. Sometimes I'll sneak 1 in midday, but mostly just 2. I still like to just chew them. I know a lot of people were saying don't do that, but I don't care. That's what I prefer. And I've gotten used to it. It's really not bad. My kids all like it too. But it gets soft. You just kind of like press down for a second and then just swallow with some water. Things that I've noticed, my skin definitely cleared up. I'm 37. I had a breakout when I filmed that first one, so I had like a lot of makeup on. My skin totally cleared up. Gone. Okay, my skin looks great. I also noticed that my energy levels are definitely higher. I've had some spiritual, energetic breakthroughs, if you will. I'm not going to go into detail, but like things are going good over here. What else? I don't know.
You might think I'm crazy for saying this, but I think I know why my skin has completely transformed over the last 30 days, and it's not just the Korean skincare that I'm using. And credit to my husband for bringing this up, but I think it's a good point. Just for context, I started using Korean skincare 30 days ago. My skin looked like this literally 30 days ago. I have no filter on this video. This is what my skin looks like right now. But in November, I started taking supplements that activate my NRF2 pathway, and I started drinking liquid, like activated collagen, and I'm gonna explain my theory here. Number 1, I'm activated right now on a cellular level. So Protandim NRF2 is a little yellow pill. Here's a picture. It literally turns on your body's ability to fight oxidative stress, which means it helps your cells repair themselves faster. Number 2, I've been drinking liquid activated collagen since November. The collagen that I've been drinking activates your body to produce more collagen.